Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are done with conditional statements and iterative statements. And now it's time for transfer statements. In transfer statements, we are having three types of statements: break, continue, and pass. Okay, now what are transfer statements? Transfer statements will transfer your flow of control in some way. Okay, now let us see what is that way. Okay, so first we are having break. What does the break statement do? It is used to terminate the loop instantly when it is encountered. Okay, read that definition. Pause the video, read it once again. The break statement is used to terminate the loop instantly when it is encountered. Okay, if I write a loop, don't go at the code at the moment. Okay, just see what I'm writing here. If you are writing any kind of a loop for something, colon, okay, you have written some lines of code and somewhere in the program I give break, and then there are some more lines. Okay, so the flow of execution is in this way only inside the for loop. Now when it gets to this line break, it will terminate that loop. That loop will now not proceed to these lines. Okay, when it gets break, that's it, the loop is done. Okay, it will not go to the further statements. Okay, be it a while loop or a for loop, the same thing is gonna happen. But now see this. I am iterating from the range 1 to 8. Okay, for x in range 1 to 8. Okay, and then I'm writing print x and then break. Let me just write this much code. What happens? Just see. Okay, as expected, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times it runs and it prints those 7 numbers. Simple. Now let me write break. What will happen? Just see. Only 1 is printed and then nothing is printed. Okay, and now let me add something more to it. Let me write after this print hello world. This is outside the loop. Why? Because it is outside the indentation. So hello world comes. Okay, anything you will do after this for loop, it will go on. Okay, and let me write this hello world here also. And I'm getting 1 hello world. What happens? Now see, here the loop is running normally. It is completing the loop, okay, from 1 to 7, it prints the numbers, and then when the loop is exited, it continues the flow of control as it should be by default and then prints hello world. Now, when I'm writing a print x break, what is happening? I'm only getting 1 and then hello world. Why does this happen? Okay, see this one. First, I equal to 1 because I've given here 1. Okay, so then in I equal to 1, I'm having print x. Print x. So what happens in the output? You getting 1. Okay, then I have written here break. Now read the definition of break. The break statement is used to terminate the loop instantly when it is encountered. Instantly, it will terminate the loop when encountered. Okay, now I'm encountering this break statement. So this will exit the loop. It will terminate the loop. It will stop the loop at that moment. So only 1 is printed, and after this loop, I'm having print hello world, so it gets printed. Okay, but in this case, there is no break statement, so it will continue the whole for loop and then print hello world. Simple. Okay, now suppose I want to break the loop when x equal to 3. Okay, I just want to print 1 and 2, and then I want to exit the loop when x equal to 3. What should I do? Okay, so let me write. Okay, this is the code I've written here. See, for x in range 1, 8, and when if x equal to 3, break. else print x. So how this program will work, let me first execute it. You are getting 1 and 2 only. First, x will be equal to 1. When x equal to 1, it will check this condition, which is false, you can see. So it will print x, so 1 is coming in the output. Then when x equal to 2, again it checks the condition, which becomes false, and then it prints x. This is x, this is 2. Now when x equal to 3, this condition becomes true. Okay, and it is having break. Break means terminate the loop instantly. So it terminates the whole loop. Most of the times you will use the break statement inside an if condition. 99% times. Okay, there could be some exceptional cases. Okay, you can do it similarly for the while loop also. If you will write it inside the while loop, then it will break it. While x equal to 9, okay, and I'm writing while x is less than 0, okay, x equal to x minus 1, and let me write here something. I create num equal to x plus a. Okay, now I am giving here a condition if num is equal to original x, and let me create here something called original x equal to x, then basically what it will do, you can just see. Okay, let me print now. Okay, why is it not working? Okay, we have to change it to greater than 0. See. So first you get 17, then 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, and when it gets 9, it stops. Now see, basically what is happening here, I'm having x equal to 9 and original x equal to x, that is equal to 9. Now I'll run this loop while x is greater than equal to 0. Okay, no problem. Now num equal to, I'm creating a variable num that is equal to x plus 8. So in the first iteration, when x was equal to 9, I'm having num equal to x plus 8, that is 9 plus 8, that is 17. Now I'm checking condition if num equal to original x. So is 17 equal to 9? Original x is having 9 and num is having 17. So it's false. So it comes here print num and it prints 17. Then x becomes 8. Okay. So when x becomes 8, then what happens? Then num equal to x plus 8. That is num will become 8 plus 8. That is 16. Then again this condition is false because 16 is not equal to 9. Okay. So it prints num, that is 16. Then it again subtracts 1 from x. Now x will become 7. Okay. And then again the same process will be repeated. Then you get 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. Right? When you get 10, then x becomes, when x was equal to 2. Okay? Try to make this loop in the way I'm doing it. Right? So x equal to 2. When x is equal to 2, then num will be equal to what? 10, right? And 10 would be printed here. No problem. Then x equal to x minus 1. Then x will become 1. Now 1 is greater than 0? Yes, it is. Now num equal to x plus 8. So when x equal to 1, num will become 9. And 9 is equal to this original x. So now this loop will break prematurely. Okay, and it will come till 10. I hope you have understood this. Try to make this whole loop in your notebook.